DigitalWave's wireless WAN solutions employ diverse wireless communication technologies, extending coverage over expansive geographic areas. Wireless WAN proves instrumental in providing wireless connectivity to locations where installing fiber is impractical, or as a backup link to existing fiber solutions. In parallel, DigitalWave's wireless LAN solution focuses on establishing networks within confined geographical areas like homes, offices, or campuses. This facilitates seamless connection among computers, devices, and resources, fostering information sharing, resource utilization, and service access. DigitalWave's wireless WAN and wireless LAN solutions work together to offer versatile and scalable wireless connectivity solutions, addressing diverse connectivity needs across varied spatial scales. DigitalWave, a connected future.